Today, I'll show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network on macOS. This helps you remove old networks, stop auto-connect issues, and fix certain Wi-Fi problems. On macOS, click the Apple menu in the top left, then select System Settings. Next, choose Wi-Fi. In the Known Network section, you'll see a list of networks your Mac has saved and can connect to. Find the one you want to forget, click the three-dot button, and choose Forget this network. Then confirm by clicking Forget. If you want to forget networks you connected to in the past but aren't available right now, scroll all the way down. Click the Advanced button. Here you'll see a list of every Wi-Fi network you've connected to before. To forget one, just click the More Info icon next to that network, choose Remove from List, then click Forget to confirm. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow the channel for more tech tips.